My name's Miguel, and this is my bike check. I have a Anthem Comply frame, Anthem Force 408, Anthem antler bars, 6 inches, 6-inch rise, Total Stripe wheel set, laced to bomb track hub, and I got bomb track tires on them. Let's see, and I got E-clap Maverick cranks and a Madeira guard sprocket, 25-2, and I'm running 9-2s in the back. I got the BSD pedals, E-clap chain, and I got E-clap pegs on the switch and BSD pegs on the regular side. I got an Odyssey seat, E-clap seat post. Got a Colt stem and a Colt bottom bracket, Colt headset, and I got the S&M holder grips. So far the best grips I've ever ridden. That's about it.
What about your straps, bro?
Oh, the most important part of a fixie, I got Royal straps. Best in the game. Shout out to all my sponsors, Anthem, Suck My Cog of course, Hello Win, Royal HC. Yep, that's it.